Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, brake assist, stability control, LED headlights, tires, front, on-off road, tires, rear, on-off road, convertible soft top, fog lamps, privacy glass. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.